Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Kalpana Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। बच्चों, मेरे कल के लेक्चर में मैंने आप लोगों को स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स के बारे में बताया। आज के लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को हेटेरोक्रोमेटिन, यूक्रोमेटिन एंड न्यूक्लियोसोम कंसेप्ट के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। देखिए, हेटेरोक्रोमेटिन एंड यूक्रोमेटिन हम हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस की क्रिया के द्वारा समझ सकते हैं। हीट्स नाम के एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने 1928 के अंदर ये रिपोर्ट किया कि कुछ क्रोमोसोम्स जो होते हैं वो इंटरफेस अवस्था के दौरान और डार्कली स्टेन्ड होते हैं और बहुत थिक होते हैं। इन डार्कली स्टेन्ड क्रोमोसोम को उन्होंने नाम दिया हेटेरोक्रोमोसोम्स। तो सबसे पहले अपन देखेंगे कि हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस क्या होता है। व्हाट इज हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस? द हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस इज अ प्रोसेस in the difference in the thickness of the segment of a chromosome during cell cycle is known as heteropyknosis. कोशिका चक्र के दौरान क्रोमोसोम्स के अंदर जो थिकनेस आ जाता है उनके सेगमेंट्स में, उसको हम हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस कहते हैं। तो ये हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस दो तरह से होती है, एक तो पॉजिटिव हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस और दूसरी नेगेटिव हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस। तो पॉजिटिव हेटेरोपिक्नोसिस क्या है कि व्हेन द क्रोमोसोम्स आर मोर कंडेंस्ड ड्यूरिंग द इंटरफेस and becomes thick, and they are known as heterochromosomes. They are darkly stained chromosomes during interphase process. And the negative heteropyknosis is when the chromosomes who does not show process of heteropyknosis and remain in extended state known as euchromosomes. So in this slide you can see that darkly stained area, darkly stained chromosomes, they are heterochromosomes, and the lightly stained part is a euchromosome. In this slide you can see the difference between the heterochromatin material and euchromatin material. Now first of all, in heterochromatin the tightly packed form of DNA in the chromosomes is called as heterochromatin, whereas the loosely packed form of DNA in the chromosome is called as euchromatin. In heterochromatin, DNA density is high, whereas in euchromatin, DNA density is low. Now next is the point of difference of kind of stain. What type of stain do they take? The heterochromosomes, they take darker stain, whereas the euchromatin, they take lighter stain. Where they are present? Where are heterochromosomes present? Heterochromosomes are found at the periphery of the nucleus in eukaryotic cell, whereas the euchromosomes, they are found in the inner body of the nucleus of the prokaryotic as well as in eukaryotic cell. Next point of difference is the transcriptional activity. Heterochromosome show little or no transcriptional activity, whereas the euchromosome, they actively participate in the process of transcription. The next point of difference is the other features. They are the heterochromosomes, they are compactly coiled, whereas the euchromatins, they are loosely coiled. Heterochromatin are late replicative, whereas euchromatin are early replicative. The region of heterochromatin are sticky, whereas the region of euchromatin are non-sticky. These are some of the differences between heterochromosome and euchromosomes. Now we are going to discuss the nucleosome concept. What is a nucleosome? A nucleosome is a section of DNA that is wrapped around a core of proteins. Inside the nucleus, DNA forms a complex with proteins called chromatin, which allows the DNA to be condensed into a smaller volume. When the chromatin is extended and viewed under a microscope, the structure resembles bead on a string. Each of these tiny bead is called a nucleosome and has a diameter of approximately 11 nanometer. The nucleosome is the fundamental subunit of chromatin. Each nucleosome is composed of a little less than 2 turns of DNA wrapped around a set of 8 proteins called histones, which are known as a histone octamer. Each histone octamer is composed of 2 copies each of the histone protein H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. The chain of nucleosome is then compacted further and form a highly organized complex of DNA and protein called a chromosome. So what is a nucleosome concept? The nucleosome concept represents the latest chromosome model of DNA-protein association. In this diagram, you can see the nucleosome concept. In picture A, you can see the chromatin with phosphorylated H1B, chromatin with unphosphorylated H1C. In the C diagram, 3 nucleosome with linker DNA. In the D, a possible model of the nucleosome which was given by Korenberg in 1974. The histone core consists of 4 histones, H2A, H2B, H2 and H4. H2 is associated with the linker region. Thank you.